no na ema niema wie pay dia mentu omo nko a ena no de omo Vodafone cash no odi ye adwuma charges bi anya de se da so na ne yisema ba awze ya ma memo aya amokodwom ya papa mo amokọ no onam na sika na ehwe ho kufu a ya na ya no mu omo te won pampan wan hwe ya waso be ehye na de aye ne se utim le to wallet no so this star use Vodafone cash atimi send this scan no if you Vodafone wallet no so e record other merchant number ye other network simple kra obeda star 110 hash star 110 hash in option se beba what select option 1 e send money and 2D no so na upia tum na ekwa na fe other options na beba no obesa select option 2 a other network na wabo modern prompt ne ba wa follow no upia to so na abo ma na ma kwiri ama charges bi anim Vodafone fed out together who you so a otumuze de yi papa ni nyina mu na ebo na hyehyɛ no adeda yi so no etimi edi ama na totoe no so no etimi akoyi na ma parativo no na call beaters baby girls no amutie ma no aseme giedi tu mu na abo asiesi omo oni obi epie okope na okase wi no akwaje ba ku ni bi avo be wie no wani so tan wa de nche no na wa hwe obebi eba ne sa ya na mboa de faje operative ebere na asansi so na bosome kai wo yo wa ya no kra no ni nyina etimi etwa ya operative no na call beaters emu de yi papa etimi de ma baby girls no eno nso kra chi no oye mami ana papa mfie na kwani mu afayo nso ezanzo kidney mu ana diabetes dunya operative ni be yi etimi de fio onoma hu sampa enro we chepa ezanze ha ba mani nduaba bi ene niam bi ni aka bo ma ye de aye panyu didi we na abo hyehyewa operativo akwada wafu asha operativo bebo na yi edifio o pedodo na to akọ supermarket bia drink bar benye bi na dodo na no FA Masters Company Limited Obasanjo Road omo be na Accra Girls SHS no omo number ni 050-553-6302 050-553-6302 na 024-573-4952 024-573-4952 Kumasi 055-394-7447 055-394-7447 and 054-338-5271 054-338-5271 niambwa na niamandeda di prefa ma boafo no doso ma yenkomra ye bo mo maka no ye beba na ya ba bedi omo nkoma na tetem so no ye konseni mu di anopeni ohun se Simba Sporting Club abomodi omo official Twitter handle omodi ababa beto jeze ni Augustine Okra eba bebu edwuma ni bi etimi de momo emfie no duro na no mo pero mo nya ne sa na bebi edu no omo ne na transfer omaji area tuma after 1 year no contract no ye terminate no ntini Augustine Okra na uzampa Simba Boboko no ebo modern adana sisi edwuma ba be de mo no ya de so mani ye papa enra so ro ani chema the Black Princesses ebo modern weekendi omo makroma ye de na eno ye wafu zombie U20 championship a ebi ntodwada de di kan kra ni na Ghana ye bia no ya bo modern trophy no ye timi age ne kama ni nyina mu na ebo amantoto ende da de game na nkasa ende 1-1 penalties 3-1 ene ebo modern etimi edigi dwumadi na ebo amantoto ene ko yereme na after the game no coach Yusuf Basigi edidi di nkomo ne nkomo didi no cheze ye hia Nigeria bibia ya na nkofo no zo we omo ba be kuya na sabat girls na bo modern aye dwuma ati oman Ghana nipa nkomo sei ena coach Yusuf Basigi ebo modern de 2 yenim
very well and I will say that we started on a good note and ended on a good note. But many were those who thought that were underdogs when it comes to playing against Nigeria. And it is true because they started well, they were scoring well, many goals and playing very well until they had this opposition. So I'll say that in all of us did very well. And then I have to commend my girls because this is entirely a new team because they were not privileged to go to the World Cup, U17 World Cup. Unlike Nigeria, they had most of their players here, and then some of the players too that participated in Costa Rica under 20. So they had a solid team. But this is a new team that I'm building.
Eltia no ye command pimpano ebo modi etimiere tuja echeza pa team weri adia team for kra na ogirisi juma mbawa na na wose ebo mabasu goalkeeper ye frene Afi Amanyeku na unze Afi Chegu na no krejuro sankasa ezohwe sere na nemesi kwere shase pressure na na ewum no na oso bodo modi ana obo na nkakrakra ekoru penalties na ye bo modi etimi enyare no komosi no nso edijai.
This game is the toughest game I've played since I've started because there was in the first half they had a lot of chances which I was able to save those chances which couldn't lead us to consider any goal. So we hold on to that, and after we had a penalty and we converted it, and we came back in the second half. Our coaches told us that we should keep on, we should work hard, that we'll carry the day. So we came in, and unfortunately, I committed a blunder, and that didn't bring me down because I had hope that when we go into the penalty shootouts, I can do something.
Eltiano ye commande no afi amanye ku abobode de tujo no a enya best goalkeeper and afi so no Stella Nyameche enya ono so so obomode etimi enya best player titama ye present trophy no erema ye Mario ne na uza mpasa hima Stella Nyameche akwa na jezi ye wafu zombi champions na eno ne ye di remeboa manema da ye pre timi ede emo na grabon famebra na ye heard the bed power Ghana Premier League Day 33 result here record here Ken Pfizer Bomi and Samuel Legon City Timo Baku Dreams FC Eshimi Great Olympics Timo Baku Accra Lions Omo and Shibi Makrobia Ekokobo Baku after the game Abdullahi Ghazali HSA tactics or Mudura game no were key to perfection say no bomber didn't come on the realm.
Our tactics work for us because we decided to come in with this game because we know Accra Lions, they are very good in possession with the ball, and they always try to start from the back. So we came in here with a mindset that we are going to always go in for high pressing, and I think the high pressing also helped us because it gave us a goal, and then it also made them to be frustrated because anytime that they have the ball, we have men on them.
Eltiano ye commande Abdullahi Ghazali bomode timere to yenhwe that result a ram no Akimo Danko to Kuroya so here at the power of Johnny Duafo. There is a tactical man wahwema season end no afi na yenya grounds ni but montwen ye be kwaba di Kotokuru aso no 4-1 Tamale City abozo yenye team keto ye aduana anji league nyine ya eni aduana board draw eni a share Tamale City so be up ya lebo board draw nyame kwanke ye share mo anti ye de lolo yenya grounds ni yo enya ne taba ye wi ake ba yintema aye adakwa ko tati ya eni adi ano ya kimoda Kotokuru Asama tesa jebi ama mediema enso etibia je after the game na ene kwasi dozu na ebisa kwasi mo supporters ne ba bebre o na draw betimi abo Magic League no na de na woka komozi na onzo dijai
appoint you ya nyanwe no akwan bia so say it nya draw na team send go back into here ya start again obia e put in maximum best kwan bia so say it nya point dey free akọ ntimete na ka say mani ajipa e wonne how me players no obia team fight ya might nya this 1 point I dey go back to takwa
Eltiano ye komo kakra ne akwasi don su abomoden etimi ede egia ne nyina mo na bo amane makoye pa Karela bomi ensama bibiani Go Stars so etimu mienu na chese no so na no edin ye papa na afa no so echi no owesere ne City Abechim United shimi no Abrikum Chelsea entimi anshebi na nsuatreman bo mienu Emeduana Football Club etimu ba ko na artful gamer etimi e course no na after the game David Oklu coach Jamu Edema Hatu for Didi Gabizans and Chodi Amanya coach, they are not found Comosin on Suboma Dedijai.
Bad. Very, very bad. But it's unfortunate. I think we didn't defend well. We didn't defend well, especially the second half. We gave them too much space to play, especially our laterals. And it costed the match. A very difficult position. But this is football. Like they came and beat us here, we can also go and beat others there.
Eltiano ye come up in Pandi to Yan after one year get supporters in you by which me ababi there no. Bio neman ko you. Na what in some monkey can we change it?
To be furious and say whatever they want. But they shouldn't forget that this is a depleted side I met. So they should know how to talk.
Is it an excuse for losing 6 out of 7 matches?
It's not an excuse. But you can say that you know the truth. You know the truth.
The coach no ɔze adase doko na ɔnso no wanya ahoɔden na emu nkɔmɔ no sɛ wo a honam yɛ ɔya edu bebi abransa na wada wanum ato afei so hu zampa utipa wiye papa ɔde ɛno so obɛgye premier heba mixture na baby girls no yɛde premier frame care capsules abɛtimi ra ma ɔba deɛ ahoɔfɛ ni nyina akyi no ɛne zere wasi afa ho ne zere wasi ato wani akyi ahyehyɛ ɔmɔ rɛ no mepacho ya na mpepi no center boot ni ade hia pa na center boot no mu ago kakra de be tighten the amount of premier frame care capsules baby be chiche ebe de be ya kono asundua abefie na na ba be ru ahu zampa asundua o nti otena kosi se de ebesi no ye premier frame care capsules and a mema ye de no premier berma capsules o ye berma o dize premier berma capsules ba pe ye tiamu merme na wagisu ye zanze wo so ma twede no mu ye den akwanya ne ba ye meme wa asase su nyina ene wakwa gina na mu ntia dabridwo de ya na wa pia to babi na wa bomode ama twede no mu aye den epim sa na abige ko besan aba o de under 1 minute ne na asase su abebre pa ansa na wanya dofo zanze oba bia empe so obegyine no na wagya na manako eza na ya na yefo achi but omo mu sisi mu eden no maza eden pa so betimi age baby girl no efini 70 premier berma capsules eye adwumade ama ye mema no na ye ma memo nso o matranse ache o market no eboa no mu sisi ne back pains no etimi aye ho adwuma kama pa opomo a orwa ni chema mpa me konkoli oboase kwan no so no benya omo eduro no pedodo na to adani farmer eno wombrom kumasi na shagisco pharmacy or kanshi drugstore lane Accra na plaza building no unyo omo form number no 0532 667 334 0532 667 334 and 0555 388046 0555 388046 ni amboa nyane man koye pa entimi emfa emama kanse ni global ICM and OTHM qualification no odon hu roma ye boa na degree a odon na on setimi aka omo certificate ni krawa ejuma bia ope bia no mre school ya ye ko ni bebrebe nyina wi a ejuma na ye de ba be ye enkoko ramu bibia mane nyeso na mankofo eke certificate de emeze John kakra na global ICM mo na beboa erwa fantitie manya nimde pa ere ato aso na ne makoye etimi ere amawo master's degree level 7 diploma mobile modern programs so accounting and business occupation health and safety management logistics and supply chain management education management and leadership and a bachelor's degree and level 6 diploma no and also programs no accounting and finance business management studies information technology health and safety management project management and a higher national diploma your level 5 diploma and no programs so and business studies computer science and cyber security human resource development journalism and media studies in a project management university diploma no and now level 4 diploma programs no business administration office management education and training management health and social care nina ya bomo de udma pezo rama watwe wasi enya A1 di ramo E8 akwanya ne do de ma MVTI and a DBS na mature student no monso mobobo modena mwetimi ram na omo hostel facility no we gam dodo hono transua de ahu obesa didi kama enya nsuo kama enye bebi akwa na aba betete wa vote we kira de ana oda ozi anadwo be konsuo na amachi wa konsuo sa de woze nei utimi ewuramu na eboa na hyehye no koyi kama so de timira akoma ase apo runabout oruani achemo sepe kwan no so Kings Campus no obenya omo na ma 0244 764 797 0244 764 797 na 0249 225 0249 225 niamwa na ne mande da din performa na betway www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh when you do fie dun otwe aye sika ba fie na emeze ejuma we na nkasa no menimi ya lute be fe ho adwene a obebi e de be fa eba me say dia ruwura ma ade no fa na sika ba fie betway eye sika keto bi o de kwa koje kese we echan ba kono kra simple kra na 1 city 50 pesos 70 selected matches yere two achieve 16.5 million Ghana cedis etos mienu 13 selected matches 1 city na de kwa 2.7 billion kwata 50 pesos yede ram na fa no su sika bocho ye bo mo de nya 5000 Ghana cedi en kanisika no 50 million onya ne bebia this time round aviator no nkofo edipa e wo bet 20 e wo so okọ na ado ho kokoshim na eboa na ne makuere ma ba ku bi so aba ye friend Papa Sky na no so ejuma ebo no ehu brutal nyamboa Saturday Champions League no omo arrangement papa bia menize week we miki no bedi ho nkoma ntiromo ne yankoma mo de no ya top up na charges bia nim enye football nko basketball Formula 1 golf cricket boxing Betway for the love of the game. You ram out to folk come as an akrabo. Mamma after the game no. How to folk supporters na omope players na bo no. Na yen red no de na ekoso no say na feeling it here. Atiano yana de course wa cross post no we na so wa na time on abo Vincent Odote so wa enso e ba be fo ne car na no so mu kukugu o na mo se he e team no de mo ye no no eni se de mu si ye ne ma no entwa you etiet wa ma atu atu ababa be she edu dwane na ahwe awuzampa supporters no e no ma palai edu mo ye we nyina wie no na ebi mo so ka so masa de mo ye na enye kra e was a mu ye we na mu jai team de eye ka na omo se sa de omo ho so ne omo kontokwa dinra ona Vincent Odote so na omo ho so ni e na no sa tifo ni bi ni nam ane omo ne omo ka tifo ne hwe omo mo masa pa na mo ti ane ababa be hye mo na mo se hwe ama hye ya wo de mu mfa mo we ne nkomo sa be keka madwen ache ya dinra em then cran de na no din but reporter menya che is already no board ne didi nkomo mo ne management na rem almost be 13 players there season when the major mo kran mo makọ na omahwemu akwa fofra ombeba ba beboa na bibia de yi so no etimi era ma club no tie no e de ererama na kramo no amamere nation omo ebo modern a na jize we na ase aso omo koda nyame ase e wo bibia de na du no na no nti ase no no na uzampa coach tiwa ne nyum ni twagu na boys ni di asasa Atiano yana the course on na uzampa mo ye di asasa na trophy presentation no zonra eru mo na champions so zone 2 yen zone mu and I'm present medals outdoor na anyway timi ede emo tie no nations maba yamamo akwaba bara maba no so momra na mombe ye adwuma no saa pepepe na nye ya na ema me sa ye ti oze Emmanuel Boyan captain no na ase su di nkomo akra na ye tie sama Coach Johnson Smith di tuja.
I think Santo Region now no, I'm praying that Kifesa will come and join us so that we can't travel too much. We will play around here, then we know who is good over here.
No. Biggie, I'm the coach vision so.
It's about Carlo. What's that? Obo League now to two coin baby how? In second fight about Ashanti Region teams na saying.
Oh no, my baba be.
Ana indirectly no nya Ash goes to Baba come into our three Ashanti regional teams into traveling no enya de infama no. Ana Coach Johnson Smith or Kano. Oscar Washington Tabares Jr.
Oh yeah, no this also. Say na fi ye Julio your gap.
Exactly. So it's the way the icing on the cake. The okosina and the icing.
Last time nya na saribi.
Yeah.
Unya asaribi.
Yeah.
That boy is all the game pa.
Now what will be of it downtown Sekunde onimsa.
Onimasa too much. Coach Asana.
Aze, or te what's up, bro?
Onimasa dodo.
Or te what's up?
Nimbo pa.
Even at this age, say, quarter on your mobile, only
touches.
Oje touch and go.
Skillful or a base. Huh?
Johnson Smith.
Oh, Jai on Bobo.
Ha.
Aye, mama
Coach in a dig or honor.
Babu.
Before
you be rem no, Shannon say Oba when we nyam your team. Bema and they can say Odoka Krasi Kakakra. And Zikano will hold on to me boy Juma cost 90 job. And I will boy Jumani baby soon as Kenny Why and also I'm here I'll be sure one day. Neno and Dr. Moses say, oh, the when you scar cra. But so says you won't wait me the don't wait in the year. And no, Dr. Amuzu Herbal Clinic and Mema Dr. Bakopa. wɔn waba be PM ɛwɔ Ghana ha simple and tietia wɔn sɛ asɛmpetia wɔyɛ bɛrima deɛ watotuo no nekumaboa ɛne yɛfrɛ bɛrima mu entiende low sperm count nti ama wɔareyɛ no ntawantawa bɛ muntumi nwo mogbɛkɔ ɛyɛ mpa so diagre bɛso ani abɛwie kyire no eba bi antumi mfiri mu ba mepa kyɛw Dr. Amuzu aba sɛ ɔba bɛsi wo haw no ano ɛde ama wo low sperm count mepa kyɛw wo tie mi afa number we ne frɛ 0247 776743 Dr. Amuzu number na simple mekata mani kra metimi abo ɛno na meyɛ 0247 776743 mepa kyɛw frɛ no Oye bema na wo eye enemu how bia wo de ofre pe na wo ne Dr. Amuzu enso edi nkomo weekend di omo friend for partial or ye delivery ne mo a weekend matches omo boy ni na no ade ekowie nkunimde di mama ye say Israel and Brazil game no bibia koso to attend dem omo enti Dr. Amuzu de ye de yense team so say pam ono na the pennies doctor na so onkoso na onye mema ho adwuma na mbema so enje omanimo nyam ewa abonten ene dem simple and tietia.
Wow. Family Rame na yanko na mze weekend we so score line bi ba ya na ano edempa.
Oh yeah.
Because could John Edua for tactically. He's a very good.
Well, the weekend we no me team of the week. Omo give him na a lot was at stake.
Yes.
Omo buedwuma 4-1. But before see me rem no yembo coach Yusuf Basigi abas one say coach di obia ne de. Your coach be on here for the top level. Coach bi ha only a youth team coach obi a ma coach na wo pe a ma coach is Africa ha wo ma distinguish omo ho a omo body no na onyi papa yi emfrim Yusuf Basigi has carved the niche say ono emba football wo dimu eye tintima intendei the Ghana share no or share no nyam emba football mu a except atase yes yetna na ebo na ba so what has he done club level with secondary azaka semba no wabua pejo omedru pedestal bi ende si eka emba football club de ewo Ghana ha ne eka abakosem na across Africa enam ne modern ball boy pejo omokokodru the CAF Women's Champions League final mo ne Mamelodi Sundowns Scotia NNT he has made a name for himself but before that no waji FA Cup waji Premier League wa then with the national team proper or the Ghana J All Africa Games medal gold medal that or the emano in junior side no or the omako silver medal position ni na wotimia eni na then last weekend Osanso Abua aji gold medal in the inaugural edition of the under 20 women's tournament. Now there in America is he is gradually becoming an institution for women's football. We mono omatra coaching. What next? Any impartation? The next batch of coaches are mobile football. No, they should be able to learn one or two things from Obi say Yusuf Basigi. Into the end, the atoa, a bema sa transition no, I so smooth. Maybe I'm fan say or your coach trasa and then the coach Obi and no no or winim dear or experiencer or bet me your more bonus watch. How he even relates to man. What's a different if Obani or Bay related and Obani Beme related for female or young girls to trust you. Say oh dear cheche bebono. Ayanabu, it takes a lot for him to do this consistently, successfully. Nature say oh bibi obetimi achre. Ama ende omo mudi echre ba no. Omo so betimi esu ya bebo ade yakọ but the goalkeeper no afi amenyaku. I think we have one for the future. Yemhwe ne yem grooming ye. Me who goalkeeper what charisma. Maybe Memuna to Suleimana.
Yes.
Sa goalkeeper no what charisma. Don't say you want or another one. Ways was something similar. Then Osho a tough mentality. She was at fault for a goal near consider. Then in the shootout, she was the star of the show. Clearly, Ghana have shown certain positives. And yeah, what for tournament we to me who BBC. It means that if we give these girls exposure by playing in competitions and matches, then the best will be brought out of them. Boa met me a pejaya game no, and so Eddie Aquanim. So I think it was a nice weekend. One Grace in no. So
no.
Na omuni ne muno. Yeah, party kesi ya kwa moko nentwe ni eyi na.
Sa Eddie we.
Yes.
Na wana family.
Mpacho wo ye woduma.
Say also kodi jollof.
Aha.
Also kodi jollof.
E buy.
One can say okodi jollof.
Adi na na e sha ase o.
David, one can say okodi jollof.
Jollof asemi me chair. anti Patrick twice because
Brian Bow about so great why you
16 questions. Jollof no dia ba menim. Bishop dia ba, Michael mu dia ba. Until dia my entra na afi later we start to answer questions no.
Hey, Nadia, what happened? That was who could jollof. Yes, here committee. You committee them, bra. So, me could jollof now. You can see Grace. Oh, me amo abaso. What for the be
okay.
Yeah.
I said that the review it to the le mani Ghana no but.
David
Grace on here there.
The Limlan.
Bibia ko kama there. Now from the start na Kogo is a tournament in the year. Na you say the bia na mo ko bo edwuma di ka me mbo abaso. Any Jumadin a Ghana, it did can you host you for ano on a Mariano Mayani Adia. Now, then as you know,
Nabu, yeah, then I may ask for a successful program. I shall say, no, not encouraging Hunka crowd, especially Nigeria. You know, crying through Nigeria. No credit, no credit. Teams in Nigeria, she and you always do Musi ball now. As a which was only a babish. I mean, a man at the final, no dear, a man about more than empire, especially Afi, Ameya, Stella, Nyamiche. Those girls were absolutely phenomenal. Until then, Yamiasi, host and win, Yamiadum, so at them.
Mount and Anraso now, I chemedas and any other dinner. Ujina chiro bibia as all pass kwani munkwa
touch and go you are ojemeda
what they said ready as in bibi as LOC adwuma ne nyina ye boa ma team na koso nyina ye boa ma team na gina ye gidi se ma team no omo so wo bibia said ye mema bobo a stadium team ye mane ade ne ye sha ase free baby nti ekoye nanim na no me gidi se man so bobo a ho keka nipa de behwe mema ne de no betumi agina mama ba behwe nti ye nyina ye boa ma adwuma na
mate
ye na mase ade ba ko na distinctive wo what omo outfit no
okay
bafu polo
oh wow
yes
bafu oh yeah wow perfect manya ni bafu polo
bafu polo was well represented and na colorful omo look so nice
and you call me sorry to cut you call me no bafu polo ebe mu within a short time but otimi sorti ye nyina mfa say less than 6 hours cry
and the year bibia oh bafu no heavy too much heavy amauza o sha ho finance aba
bafu Grace adwapoma omo nyina obo say no le what was side attraction I know so here I na side attraction is here
because so ya de no omo niwa ya na enye krabe omo ma ya na ebo apa Grace ma ya de wa ba say bibia so ayo okay
bibia ayo
that 250 na say
I know the non-disclosure.
Oh, was that agreement rich as a bar? What's a member?
It's an agreement.
Be up.
Grace, when you be agreement with you.
Patcho name.
Apostle there.
Question. When you be agreement.
Apostle Patcho there.
Until when you be any agreement.
Sir. Okay, where we are kwe. Be up. Yeah, you remember.
Chance. You one or two beers to say ba. Ba be adwuma. I mean, chance me more divine tree and empenyu for mo Nations FC nase. Me mama abaso na me mon baby omodru so mo de football as aba brankers no it's a good thing and run here show we hom kan ye me share players no me share mpanyin for no me share coaching staff me no di nkomwa countless times on my idea pa ye mama abaso it's a very good achievement for the boys ye on form I acquire new di nkomo Football Republic mpanyin for so kopie mu ho a say bibia konkan o ma qualify na Ashanti region no Kotoro hana me so me be hold you to task 3 regions and a ball zone 2 Western region Central region and Ashanti region zone 2 of Division 1 league no over the weekend I monitored 2 of the regional football association chairman Ehoma and Duncan Western and Central region. Omo koba nyina say Rio Stars shouldn't go down. Omo koba nyina no Central region teams na Mina Sharks intellectuals nobody should go down.
Yeah.
Samaka mobenya final table for zone 2 Amamia. Dentina osetutu sebi so ma on anase kra. Onim penyimfo no man hu in terms say you could lose 2 teams. Ama Pacific Heroes and the Deportivo call relegation. Look.
Papa.
Oh, the one neighbor, Park Academy. Omaba. In the region, Omonkwa neighbor, Central region would increase by 1. Oma started about Central region. Diano. Kwaku, what is West? Western region so started about. Now here I drew for 144 more. Now call a betinasi for no for more Central region. These are the two I made them any femuno, men come medinum, likely say BBNC on combat qualifier bar. Betinasi, and then I drew for a man, Isaiah and Nitim. Kwaku, Ken Pfizer could come down. So if Ken Pfizer leba, Ashanti region and they will come premier team no. Then can only lose Kempon.
Yes.
But Sharks are in. And team fan said team no bar last year no. Ono no say kono. And I almost call because of Ntokwa 7 points now. Yet on. Mpacho what I say. But Ashanti region have lost to Pacific Heroes and Deportivo. Consistent performance. And you're more promoted by no. Future Stars that so bo. As it came airbo. What happened? And I was reliably informed that even a 1-0 defeat could have saved Deportivo. Look, wait, Kululu. But we are RFA chairman. You should be worried. Kempa Salebe ka ho. Deportivo ko. Sky Akem. A Ashanti region team na ekobo premier no. What do you think Western and Central will do next season?
Omubeba na ni breso pa.
Because a kwan tietia nka obetu akwa agogo. A kwan tietia nka obetu di aba abebo ewo adwoso atia okese no. Hwe teams ni din. Ohwe soro wa nations enya Ashanti region biem. Omoko premier. Future Stars Ashanti. New Edubiase Ashanti. Asikem Ashanti. Oba ase wa asan. Kemfasa na ba be kan ho. Enti Asikem Park Ken Faisal Future Stars New Edubiase 5 way. Mefa Central region. For Nifem di All Blacks Air Central. Wafa Air Central.
Yes.
Soccer Intellectuals Air Central. Dwarfs Air Central. Omu nyina kam ubetu kwan. Serie Stars ebo Serie. Asafo. Reports are making say this my board the biso.
Yes.
Obe why kwan ne pa. Ko minimo. Nzima kotoko. Ewo nzima enclave nim. Basheke Holy Stars. Ewo nzima enclave nim ube twa kwan papa. Na obe tu free ha. Akonkran, akogomu afeta akobo. Anase obe tu afri ha. Udru eburadu nkwa. Wafa benkum so akofa mankesim. Anse na akopie winiba gomu afete ube twa kwan papa. Ube ko Cape Coast akobo drafts. Ube ko akobo intellectuals and also Central region. Into for Nifem the shortest distance in terms of traveling.
There are 4 teams in the
Oh, look, that is it. Because Kim Faisal like na droppy. No problem. Michael bet mama dynamics no more. Look. Why then na course come over na course. Into Yabo League ni na mo you find a way to save one. Because mun nisi Canada.
But I mean na Sharks so Bishop.
They almost survive it. Obeko. And you see, Shase ho Western region for no. All Stars. Bashake Holy Stars. Sky. Plus Nyobeba. Abeka home. From Western region. This Omao Hazakes. Omao Edro Foreman. And I send the Martins in the back of Bekanwa. Mubebo Karov. You should have seen that.
When we be zone 1 so asemo ya ba 1 honene.
And now mukoye meeting na hona me Michael munko zone 1. Near Koso on Football Republic obia ni mu ni asem. Monka no kore ene ya ansa na ne business.
Na bi observe unim dada.
Minim unim. Born na ye ne Ghana ha no. Mo na mo de musika ye. Enra no nti na ye wura region no.
Enini sa I say ni na asem no no.
Asem bi ani bebia.
Asem
ni bebia.
Na wo say wo table dey ko Premier League asem wa.
Hwe. Yabo. Na ye suru say Tamaliti is betima ba. Somba omo wa.
na make us say boha.
Hana Tamale City is beba.
Aha no beba.
Kumbum bien ko.
They might come. It's not certain.
In the event they come. C'est Tamale City.
So
Nyame amfa samba
on first screen ma ye na yenya.
Nyame amfa samba na relegate Tamale City. Aha na monte ase ne no e football politics. Ene ye no. Eha wodi wani fam a obi ko show obi boss obema ne premier amfa nti ne bo afu ti vote no ko omo ko share second team no so nko omo ka vote no asem amfa won why asin juniors team did the Bruno East United on be ball techiman nti no why asin emwa now kumbum bien ko unity ko nti relegate 2 ewa ha e wo say nya 3 team me boa na
ane
good nti nya 3 team na dey na besi
playoff
okay between 3 team no enko for me no na mabo nti in this case Kasina and Kana any Brekum Arsenal but in the unfortunate situation say Tamale City bar ara wo some women say ni o qualify for premier no in free zone we of the other zone zone 1B no but for kwakọ nti se obey Brekum Arsenal den ye tumufo no na mo nte ase for screen no mami hwe Brekum Arsenal zone no Unity are relegated nti ye be promote obi ama ni free bono ho abeshim
baako soko
baako na beko na awreho se me wo ni say ni oba qualify from Bunu zone division 2 no si eti anye no free zone 1A team ni free yeji Atebubu Nkranza Techiman Kintampo na se ono na ebebo Kwame Danso be bi na obebo a also ball zone 1B zone 1A sa zone 1A ho na no e ho na se nyame amfa kwam na Tamale City so e drop ya on be abehye. How do you relegate there? How?
Abozo Bramo I never ask him case here zone 1 and now me who we na me say asemo ya ba
I won't cry.
Try say
Omoko ade we ya ye kan mark it today e dey asembeba
me try say me hold myself back because you see asemo Makanda RFA chairman is my very good friend but some of these things see Omo Deportivo Orani an association your other interest look between two teams you look at team Ben financially Omo a strong backbone team Ben because Edu baby my man Crawford for team wa no makoton like baby fufro it has happened before I'm here talking about Star Madrid so it's not my national region team
yes
now if you have because Edu baby people don't have the financial muscle somewhere bobo now Deportivo have been but only me partner at Deportivo no former was a man
yes
and so for set teams on himself with a little push or more the capacity to go into the Premier and play very well a bass I more additional numbers over the region and look everywhere FIFA CAF there's a deliberate policy even federation Referee Afina as good as some call relegation so guy I didn't see so a doom maybe sometime team no modern boy ball or more team nechi any team nankasa the opportunity the team will bring to the Premier League the reason why team no call down M1 you need to make sure deliberately we're protecting this issue as at Thursday I was surprised that nothing was done about it because at the end of the day almost said that he had to do anything until at the end discussion of course and look at Deportivo how they've been able to produce a lot of quality young talent for the national team and then also as we speak Adebako and me can be as an association federation presidents president and I've said this several years Madam Vogutura, I've told him before. I've told other RFAs in the past. Try RFA dry financially. Send Crawford ebe fat clubs no and I'm investing in the clubs. It's the responsibility of the RFA to make sure that protect them. Even though Yanka Division 1 is not under RFA, let's make it clear. And yeah, it's not under them. But interest because your region, and the more you have numbers in terms of premier, so you have a role to play in ensuring that dear number timia abua. Sanyema we know the bigger picture is that ebema omo sika person somebody ba ball no mo no, they'll begin to think twice because here omo sika ye league skin here omo sika se ombe body omo sika share ball no mo aman kola na nye juma coaches medical staff anye juma than omo here football. No, because I said that man deals in oil and that's only business. Be that. Diana crow a deliberate policy and strategy to make sure say the omu abim. Tina because me holding me up because I am a victim of that. You have no idea. And that is why I'm holding me because see, you have no idea the next plan for even the entire RFA in the region. That. But for that incident, can have had huge sums of money for sponsorship. And yes, sir. I'm sorry, but you make deliberate policy. Me see, calf. Why? What's your name? Say, Waka Morocco ni Ali. The decision to play one leg. Nede.
Cow ni decide.
Peter Wandidi ni boss. Ni only former boss. Peter Wandidi ni former boss. Dr. Badu Wandidi na them. Wandidi na them.
Yeah.
Ekusi say.
Kusi.
Some boy,
Marshall.
Thank you.
The open here.
Sometimes, sad, so our RFAs. I mean, I'll have time to find out from Koto the role he's ABI or play a role na alpha. I'll give that, but going forward, I thought can be yenim sad a long time. So what did we do about it? Emia that Deportivo, I relegated. Emia pa.
About the real name there, but my mom Rira has did him. And maybe to my first in my doing, but also baby a kick a corner. Baby a kick a corner.
Rematches, no. The FA will be in for a big shock.
There'll be some surprises. No surprise. Just like
the scheming going on.
SC War Kotoku match. That Great Olympics have I mean, see the CEO himself there.
Look
and
look the scheming going on.
But how him
there? Division 1 and Division 2 no more any premier now. The elections coming up is influencing.
Even the matches
about
that matches about premium. But the Olympics should be careful. You know what is going to happen. You see, after Adriana Stars, any Bechim, you have your own issues.
Yes.
There is a game I mean say Adriana, no matter what, even they are like if they have to win, I train him. Adriana would like to do that. Now Tamale City, I shall go Olympics or Tamale 2-1. Abu 1-1 Wakra. Official league table now, Mediama Bechim 3 points.
Abazo,
a win for them.
We know memoir about because I we know.
A win for them. Olympics will go to relegation.
A win
for them. Olympics will go relegation if Tamale City win in Takwa. And Mamunyo Madrid Tamale City cannot win in Takwa. They can win in Takwa. Another circumstance they can win in Takwa.
But I have been far for. But if they ever bet also the Ababa be din common area. But league no say see corner last day no na bishop ke is about 20 yen susan so oh ha ye yo pinidu be free mu call na akra wa amwai 0554931931 05489319 odiane baby alfrevi
abu diabi
kwa me pongo yanko
maso plama nabu je me kanje me say has so focus for penifo e kwaya omu faso e ma team no ball e gwa en konkan ko ye champion for te na mo monia next you system no mo new person mira because they have to focus on the crani e come sumu abu oni na mnya dwa bye
mate me da sepa odi ani baby afrefi
abu diabi
yes sir
Solomon e
ate
wan samle na na fem pon wasa to se wa chuma ngbeja no mame mo ni e beja fo nyina baso na ema na so ye mo babaso pa ade e mema ne ye ya mo ntimi anya no ema na timi ho si wa reni a aye mo babaso pa na yen ka jom so mo nkoso ano mo nkoso o che se ba de ye nim te Nigeria ye pan dem ko se be show mo se nyo mo fa na etinya show mo no omo ntro an ko si na side so ndo kan omo zungu for maye na date
Mante men so me da si solo hu dia ne baby afrevi
oyibo na shina masomo adoato in Poba Papa Peti. Na body abi won ti say.
Oyibo mi uyo na me say oyibo kunu mu ayedin o.
Na House of Folk dey say new year e be catch mu abu. House of Folk team 1911. Yeah, that 11 position.
But from Dominic on perfect here.
Dominic me too.
Mamunchi apostle in fact, apostle, there were many things happening to you for me. Then you are how many club in the end. Yeah, come on now, how many years ago? I bet you, I just said, yeah, bigger.
Sompa Sports.
Huh? No, Bomba is waiting home there. I mean,
Mate, Dominic Kafra, Udin any baby Afrefi.
I said, because I'm the medical.
Medical, me too.
Now, if you say bad, you share and do not work near you play the Dana, you catch you. Now, how to folk for the life long with that and send Pataho. Now, that's what that's true. And then, I'm with the air. That's it.
Mate, Mezumedas, Udin any baby Afrefi.
Fantastic. I will Javi.
Mayola, Kentampo Yanko.
No, Javi, and the other one say, I didn't know Javi. You have a character where a Ghana, really Ganadia, and say something. What that was because the boy, I said, the who to go here, when the warm also had a video of India. Yes, football, not airborne. When I do say, I was saying, could be any areas now. So, more, and I just of the Kama, but one chair. Football, there's some body.
But I say, Maryland also the Odiani baby Afrefi.
Abu, maybe a believer and successful about it.
A baby too.
Supporters. When you forget, you need them to see in your own Tamakuso. I'm not able to marry you. Oh, the free Pia, I'm and ancient now in Yaoso. I'm a casa, on that promoting you, the pound of what you mean, I'm not to marry you. I'm not, you have your Negro console. Now, Tamaku, there will be a house.
Mate, made us a pow, Diani baby Afrefi.
Hello?
Yes, our Dini baby Afrefi.
The Cosmo Casafi Taconsa.
Baba, draw me too.
I have to look past the then always.
Obey you, why?
Oh, I have some more.
Mate, Mammy Fogua, Diani baby Afrefi.
Hello, the Gidi of Father, because the flash.
Over me too.
Now, I have a good day, I'm you. Ya nyini da baby ezi ase you. Ni nua mo no mo ya de no nkonya ye why. I mean can have the form.
Mate, me da se no so de. Odi ani baby Afrefi. Hello. Is on your radio Ricardo yan corner me far for 0554931931. Odi ani baby Afrefi. Yes, Nicholas meet you.
Jenny can say Abula, yes, she is personal. Yes, 2 months now. Again, of course, I said, they are female engineer.
Was it ever one anti Omonka? Oh, now Division 2, there's a deal command Bishop Crabbe or Mojuma, my hair crown or Park Academy never. That be a deal on common.
Sir.
Ah, Dimension Conabra, there's a Division 2 there. Or I'll try to Dini baby out free.
But you're very appear because I feel massive.
Abia, on I'll try to meet you.
The cinema moment to a house of full company for the Monday Akumayano, Umushi BB. Because somebody Akumadia, bro. You throw more Mufia Kumas in Diabo. And I'm on to Papa, I'm say, Meno Kumobi, na my friend and change with a massive.
Mate, here one premier call. Na news out of Ramway Timiere Ama, Sompa 93.1, Kumasi Sompa 98.9, Sunyane Sompa 90.7, and Kranza, Kabraka Semwaba, Almodi news out 12. A Ramede Ama, we are 3 to 4, shootout on also. Na Yaba Berera Madin, come on, I'm out to full, come on,